In this video, I'm going to show how to add a field to the search view. To do that, let's go to the contacts module and let me open one of the contacts, and I will add a custom field. So I open Studio. I'm going to add a selection field, probably here. I'm just gonna say if this contact is a customer or is it a provider or vendor. I'm gonna confirm. Okay, now I'm gonna change the label. I'm gonna say contact type. Okay. And probably let me also change the widget. And I'm gonna say radio button instead of a selection. So that means how this field will be displayed in the view. So let me close. And for this contact, here is the contact type. That's the new field that we just added. Let's edit this contact. And let me add the contact type. Let me put that this contact is a customer. Actually, it would be a vendor. Save. Okay, so now we know that this contact is a vendor. So let's do what we wanted to do, which is add this field to here, to the filters, to the search view. Okay, so let me open again Studio, and we will go to the views, and I will click search. So now I have the filters here. I'm gonna add a filter. I'm gonna put it here at the top, and you have to be careful. You wanna know where to put it, because once you put this filter here, it will be difficult to move it. So yeah, find the correct place, and then I'm gonna say contact. Let's say I want to see very easily the vendors. So I'm gonna say the filter is gonna be this vendors. To see the vendors, I will need to find the contact types that are equal to vendor. So this is what we are actually configuring. It's just a filter saying contact type, which is the field that we just created, has to have the value vendor, and then that will display all the contacts that are vendors. I'm gonna save it, and here is my filter. Okay, so let's close this. And now let's, for instance, change views here, and I'm gonna show the list view, which is this one, and I'm gonna filter vendors only. So I select vendors, and this is the customer that I was modifying, Brandon. If I switch back to this view, I will see this guy here. So he's the only one who is a vendor right now. Okay, so let me go back. Let me clear this filter, and let's find another contact. For instance, this guy, or this company, Hungry Dog, and we will say, let me edit here, and we will say that this is actually a customer. Save. Let me go back to the contacts, and then again I look for vendors, and of course that customer won't be shown. But what we can do is we can open Studio again, and we can go to the views, search, and we can create another filter that this time shows the customers. And again, I will select the field that we created, which is contact type. This is a custom field, and this is okay. This field has to be, or has to have the content customers so that it shows the customers. So now we have the two filters here. I'm gonna close, and then I'm gonna filter my customers. And here is Hungry Dog, which is the contact that we specified. It was a customer.